Angeles, California, just before dawn. The van is stalled in the fast lane of a busy freeway. And that's a recipe for disaster. The empty vehicle gets blasted by a Mustang at nearly 70 miles an hour. The force of the collision rockets the van several hundred feet. Inside the Mustang, a young couple is too stunned to get out.
Paramedics are coming!
A news cameraman calls for help.
Multiple injuries. I need CHP ASAP.
But the couple's nightmare has just begun. The car swerves to avoid their Mustang and skids out of control. 5 cars are now involved in the pileup, and the man and the woman are still sitting ducks. The cameraman waves his camera light as a warning to oncoming traffic, but it doesn't work. The couple is battered in another violent collision. The Mustang and the van are totaled. Incredibly, the young woman suffers the night's only injury, a sprained ankle. Everyone walks away because this road was paved with a little luck.